Okay, so we got another load. We're continuing on with this laneway. Got 18 yards of asphalt grindings here. There are some chunks in it, but it looks pretty clear. I don't know what's underneath. So I'm going to be continuing coming down here. By all means, this is not done. This is not totally smooth. It's not tamped down. I'm waiting until I have enough done, and I'm gonna rent one of those rollers. You know, the things that you drive that they do asphalt with, tamper roller thingy. So I still got to continue here. As you can see, fill all that in. So my last load brought me pretty much up to here. So I think I didn't plan on really scraping much more grass off here. It is pretty hard, actually. Maybe not here, but I think back here I'm just going to scrape a layer. Might as well. Take the sod off. I moved the dump trailer. It was parked here, as you can see. I cut the grass yesterday, so it's a little taller under where the trailer was. Yeah, going to be pulling Johnny out. Johnny's going to be working overtime today for sure. So I'm going to be coming right up to the barn here. Can't really move that skid unless I take off a few layers of salt from that, but Johnny's not going to be able to pick that up. It's pretty heavy. That's well over 5,000 pounds. Right there's an oversized skid. So I'm just going to go around it anyway and just kind of come up to, I don't know, maybe around here. All right, the edge of the barn. Along there where the tree is and stuff, just so I can park stuff here at least for the summer. And, you know, what the whole plan is of eventually tearing this whole thing down maybe in the next couple of years and then building a shop back here at the very back. So once that barn is gone, then it'll all be gravel pad, laneway, driving down to the back here. All right, the future building will be back here. So I got my pile of clean fill over there. So I'm gonna be, I parked my dump trailer and my dump truck, well, dump insert box truck, I call it, back here yesterday. Parked the diesel truck and then pull this trailer back here. So I'm gonna move this truck and trailer over, just on the lawn over here, just so I can continue using this laneway where you can see the wheel ruts from the tractor going straight down. I don't really want to ruin the grass over here, which the truck and trailer will be fine for a few hours anyway, until I get all this done and covered, and I can move it on to there then, right? So let's have a go at this. Johnny's performing very well today. I added to the pile of clean fill back there. So I decided to take out more grass than, I think it's always a better idea if you're starting fresh, you know, making a laneway and doing a base, you know, you might as well take out all the grass and do it right. So, well, it doesn't look perfect, but you know what, it looks really good to me anyway for being a rookie. It's the first time I'm doing this. First time ever using the tractor, well, second time. When I started the laneway in front of the house coming back here, you can see where it ends. Just over there. And then I continued it here, going along. pretty much scrape the layer of sod off and get that grass off right there. Should be fine. The asphalt grindings I'm putting on pretty thick. Stuff shouldn't go through there. Guess we'll see. So, you know, the plan in the future, like I said earlier, that barn's going to be gone. So this will be all like wide, you know, single kind of coming in here, and then it opens up. I don't want to go any farther than where my truck is right now there. So this grass line, I want to keep nice grass over there, right? So going all the way to the back and then having a shop back there. So that's the plan, but I just need to do this now just so I can kind of park on it now. And yeah, hopefully I got enough asphalt grindings to cover this. If not, I'm going to have to get another load. Okay, so let's continue on. Check this out. Not too bad for a rookie. Well, the birds like it. I was digging up all the sod all the birds can. We're in heaven here with all the worms. Well, and then I covered it up with asphalt grindings. So look at that. Just got to finish up the... I forgot about this little pile right here. I got to get the landscape rake. It's at the back corner of the house there. Just kind of pull that over a little bit. Those two little piles. But look at this. It's not bad. I didn't even tamp it or anything. It's pretty hard. Just from driving over it. I'm telling you, that little green Johnny there, that works really good. You go backwards with the loader bucket down and slightly, just a little bit slanted forward, not too much. I found if you do too much, then you're digging. And you go backwards with it, you can smooth this out pretty good. It's better than the box grader, but the box grader has other uses, which you see in the video. I use that to tear up the sod. It worked mint. I didn't put the tines down. I just have them set all the way up. Oh, I'm missing one. Where'd that tine go? Ha! Look at that. Already missing a tine. Alright. Well, it's probably under here somewhere. Or it's in that pile of dirt over there. So I don't think I'll be finding it anytime soon unless I get lucky walking around. It's And it just happens to pop up. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have to get another tine. I just noticed that now. Other than that, I'm telling you this, I'm just so impressed with this 3039R. So it looks pretty good here. A little bit of a parking pad, so I'm gonna move the dump trailer back right there. Put the other truck, not the diesel truck, but truck with the dump insert, which is just around the corner right there beside the dump trailer. So I'm gonna put those two on over here, and then I'm gonna move the diesel and the enclosed trailer off the grass here. Okay, we'll be back. All right, so there you have it. I got it going all the way from the front. This is pretty much where it ended, but right here before I got the load today of another 18 yards of the asphalt grindings. I know it's not a perfect line here, but hey, I'm still working on it. This is phase 2. This is freaking awesome. Got my trucks parked back here now. Dump trailer's comfortable over there on the asphalt grindings instead of on the lawn. Yeah. I couldn't go all the way because that's not my property right there. So they're actually taking these out. They came with a tractor. They're actually farming this weekend. They're trying to pull these out, so they're coming back. So I won't have my little privacy things here hiding my trailer, but oh well, once the corn starts growing here, it'll hide it. No biggie. I'm just happy right now that I got this part done. Got the tractor in there. Truck and trailer here ready to go for Monday. So yeah, pretty much ended just behind the trailer here. That's pretty much all that I really wanted to do this year up to there. Because once this building's gone and I build something farther back there, then all of this right here will be the same as this, where this building is, and I'll be a pretty happy guy. Well, I am right now anyway. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's my journey of making my laneway here, just to have a little more space for the business. There you go. So be nice to everyone. Do something nice for someone today. And peace to everyone. We'll see you all soon.